You're thinking about investing, right? Maybe you've got a bit of spare cash sitting in a savings account doing absolutely nothing. Or perhaps you're eyeing up a bigger goal, a house, a fancy car, or maybe just a comfortable retirement. But here's the thing, where do you even start? With countless investment options out there, it can feel like trying to find a needle in a haystack. Today, we're diving into one specific platform that's made waves in the investment world, Nutmeg. What exactly is it? Let's break it down. What is Nutmeg? So, what is Nutmeg? Well, it's not a type of fruit, believe it or not. It's actually an investment platform that aims to make investing as easy as possible. Imagine having a financial advisor who's available 24/7, but without the hefty price tag. That's essentially what Nutmeg promises. Now, you might be wondering, is Nutmeg a fund itself? The short answer is no. It's not a fund in the traditional sense. Instead, think of it as a platform that offers access to a variety of funds. It's like a buffet where you get to choose what you want to eat, but Nutmeg does the cooking, or in this case, the investing, for you. How does Nutmeg work? Nutmeg operates on a pretty straightforward principle. When you sign up, you'll be asked a series of questions about your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Based on your answers, Nutmeg will create a personalized investment portfolio for you. This portfolio is made up of a combination of different funds. These funds invest in a mix of assets like stocks, bonds, and property. The exact mix will depend on your risk profile. So if you're someone who's okay with a bit of risk for potentially higher returns, your portfolio will likely have a higher allocation to stocks. On the other hand, if you're more risk-averse, you'll have a larger proportion of bonds. Nutmeg's investment styles. Nutmeg offers a few different investment styles to cater to various investor preferences. Let's break them down. Fully managed, this is Nutmeg's flagship offering. A team of experts constantly monitors the market and adjusts your portfolio accordingly. It's like having a personal financial advisor who's always on the lookout for opportunities. Fixed allocation, this is a more hands-off approach. Your portfolio is built based on your initial risk profile and is rebalanced once a year. It's suitable for investors who prefer a set-and-forget strategy. Socially responsible investing, SRI. This option allows you to invest in companies that align with your ethical values. Whether it's environmental, social, or governance issues, Nutmeg can build a portfolio that reflects your beliefs. Smart Alpha, this style combines the benefits of both fully managed and fixed allocation portfolios. It uses advanced technology to identify investment opportunities while maintaining a balanced approach. Is Nutmeg right for you? Nutmeg can be a great option for several types of investors. If you're new to investing and don't know where to start, it can provide a simple and convenient way to get started. It's also suitable for those who want to be hands-off and let professionals manage their money. However, if you're an experienced investor who enjoys making your own decisions, Nutmeg might not be the best fit. So, to recap, Nutmeg is an investment platform that offers a range of investment options. It's not a fund itself, but rather a way to access different funds. Whether you choose fully managed, fixed allocation, SRI, or Smart Alpha, Nutmeg aims to simplify investing and help you reach your financial goals. Investing can be overwhelming, but platforms like Nutmeg can make it more accessible. Remember, it's essential to do your own research and understand the risks involved. Investing always carries the potential for loss. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.